Hey guys, welcome back to the another exciting episode of Revit Mastery 5-minute tutorials for beginners to pro. In today's video, we are going to see about the placement of doors and windows in Revit. It is a very simple yet very important topic for all the beginners who wants to learn Revit. Doors and windows placement are the family. Doors and windows are the families in the Revit that which we are going to place into the walls or the various component in the Revits. So to understand it more clearly, let's just dive into the Revit. To do so, let's just open the Revit. In the Revit interface, just click on new, and here we can open our architectural template, create new project and click on OK. So it is our user interface of Revit. So now to begin with, we know that whenever we want to place a door or window, we need a wall. Means more oftenly we use a wall, and in which we place a door. In a generic construction, if you see, we construct the walls, and in between walls we have the opening. We left that opening and then we will place our door. Exactly the way we construct in a real life, we will do in the Revit. So to do so, let's just select the wall, select the basic wall that should be of minimum thickness, and let's just create a generic wall square block. Okay, so we can see it in 3D. It will look like this. Let's just close our levels. For instance, we don't need in 3D. So yeah, it is looking like this. So to place a door and window, Revit has a dedicated option to place door and to place window. To place a door, we will be clicking on door, and here Revit showing us the interface of placement of door. By default, there are 2-3 doors, depends on the template, that which we can place. As we can see, we have these doors, for example, and for instance, I'll be placing it right here. If you hover over the wall, it will show the direction of door opening. We want to open our door inside or outside. We can use the space bar to do so. After the placement of door, you can see here we get the handles to change or flip the position of the door. So by that we can just use that handles to do so, or we can use a space bar to do that. Okay, so that's it for door. But what if we want to add a door that are not available in this properties palette? So we can just load the door from the Revit families. To add a door family, we will click on door, and here we get the option of load family. So to do that, we will just go to our family folder where we have our default families. We can either go to the any website from which we can add various doors, and we will go directly to that location, add that particular door. But for instance, we will be taking this door. So let's take this one. Now Revit is giving us the sizes available of that particular type of door. So for now, let's just consider this one, and let's just try to place it here. Okay, so you can see this is how easy it is to place a door in Revit. We can flip the door inside out, or we can change the position of the door. Both things we can do by using these handles. Okay, so it is same goes for the windows. We will get default windows there, and we can just change it the way we want. For default, let's just put this window here. We can ignore the warning for now, or we can just go to the load family and just select any one of the windows. We will go back to our family, and here we get a windows folder. Let's select any one of the window for now, and let's just try to place. Okay, same handle we will get for the window also. We can just make it that outside. It should be outside. That's good. Okay, let's check in 3D. you can see we added the doors and windows properly in our project. You can do exactly the same process on whatever project you are working on, and you will get the same results. For now, for other options we will get in the properties palette for that particular type, such as levels. We can change the levels from here, either we want to on level 0 or level 1, and we can change the seal height also. For now, let's just take it as 600. You can see this is goes little bit up. For the same we will get for the window also, for the same we will be getting for the door also. This is how we place the door and windows family. For now this is okay. We'll be taking a detailed project later where we will be placing door and windows exactly the way we want. We will be doing so many things with them, but for now it is fine. So door and windows placement are the very basic yet very essential topic in the in our BIM journey. So in today's video we saw how we can place the door and windows and how we can load it from the family folder. Also we saw how we can adjust its respective levels and its seal height. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share your thoughts in comment, and share this video with your colleagues who are interested in learning the Revit. We will be seeing more interesting topic in for future videos. Till that, stay tuned. Thank you.